National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Redwood County in southwestern Minnesota, north central Brown County, south central Renville County, and La Crosse reported at 5:37 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Morgan, 12 miles southeast of Redwood Falls, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Morgan around 5:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Sleepy Eye. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities.
That scared the complete S out of me. And I'm sorry, this isn't portrait view, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it.
162.
Yeah, whatever, but yeah, that's it.